How's it going, folks? Makia back here with Macro DroneWorks, and today I'm going to be trying out something a little different than I'm used to. I got myself a TinyHawk III here, and I've been hitting the simulator. I've been crashing there. I'm really I'm really bad. I just decided, instead of buying like one of those couple, like almost $1,000 kit with the goggles, everything all set up, I decided, you know what, I'm gonna go with the TinyHawk. And so I flew this thing like 2.5 times indoors. I didn't realize the green light didn't mean fully charged, it meant it was charging. So I flew it with like a second left of battery on it. Yeah, I went up and I went down. But flying it around the house in kind of a leveled mode, man, is it a lot harder to control the the height of the drone. But yeah, I only have one cell, but I'm gonna take it outside and try angled mode because that's what I've been trying in the simulator. So I just want to see kind of how it is. But yeah, first outdoor experience with this little mini whoop, little whoop whoop. Now we're out here in beautiful Starkville, Mississippi, out at the golf course, and it is a little bit cold today. A little cold in the 40s to 40s, I think. It seems pretty chilly, and so we're going to go fly out here on the golf course. And since no one's really playing golf right now because it's cold, and the grass is, as you can see, a little bit dead, so it's not as appealing to the eye to be golfing on the tan instead of the green. So we're just gonna go fly around here. I'm gonna go pick up a place out by the lake where I can sit down, hopefully don't get bit by a turtle, and yeah, see how this thing flies. All right, we're out here chilling. Hey, check this out. A little bit of a heron over there. Hey, take off, you knob. I'm gonna go land over there. You look like a freaking space alien. You know that reference? But what issue I had so far with this kit, I don't know if it's just me, but when I was charging these freaking big old things, or I guess just a screen really, normally it's supposed to have a red light when it's charging. Mine definitely did not, so I was a bit concerned. I just left it on there. If it burns, it burns. I can file a claim or whatever. But yeah, after probably half hour, it finally turned green, so that was a positive thing. But yeah, we're gonna get set up and go fly a little bit. Now, I don't understand naming conventions, but apparently I've been flying on beginner mode, but I think I'm gonna turn up a notch, and I'm gonna go freaking intermediate mode, because I think that's like acro or angled, and I think Ector is like 3D. But at the same time, I really don't know. I'm new to this whole shebang. But yeah, I got the battery in. I got the drone here. Oh, got the drone here. Gonna plug it in, and I'm gonna record my headset so you can see what I'm doing. Set it here so you can see my beautiful nostrils. All right, plug in this here battery. Make sure red goes to red. That is always a good thing to do. Okay, drone is on. Thing is on. Hoo-ha is. On. Just press the record button. I'm gonna record this. It's probably gonna look like crap, but hey, it's okay. All right, controller in my hand. Arm. No. Oh, I hit a tree already. Wait, so what's the difference between? Oh shoot, I'm almost out of battery already? Holy smokes! I mean, it is a tiny whoop, so it doesn't get a lot of flight time, but... Wait, can I do a flip with this? Do a flip! Woohoo! Do a flip! Alright, low battery. Oh shoot, that's a tree. Alright, can I land? Can I land? Oh. Ah! I consider that successful flight. What was that? Less than a minute? Man. So I guess I checked the battery, and it definitely it came with like this freaking tiny USB charger, it was definitely off. It was on the LiPo setting. I'm pretty sure this is a LiPo. Let me double check. I don't want to break the wires. Okay, turn off the controller. Turn off the headset. I guess I could stop recording. Yeah, stop recording. And now turn it off. Alright. Because what is this? This is a LiPo EMAC 650 amp. Yeah, I don't know why that was only a minute of flight. If someone else knows in the description, please let me know. I did make sure the charger was, the LED was turned off, which I looked it up online because there was no real instructions on the charger. But what I saw was when it was off, it was charged. But I guess I'll have to double check that. But yeah, no, I'm really enjoying this thing. I just need to order a couple more batteries, obviously, to enjoy the fun a little bit longer. I think this is a great starter. I mean, this controller seems fairly high quality for the price, so that's pretty cool. Much better than an Xbox controller. And like the difference between this and Xbox controller is there's like, it's free to go on the vertical, and there's like resistance on the side, which is not a thing on the Xbox, so the simulator's kind of crap. Yeah, I don't really know the difference between beginner, intermediate, and expert mode. Intermediate didn't seem like it was angled mode like the simulator. Maybe that's what expert mode is, but I'll have to read up on the manual again and double check. But yeah, enjoying the TinyHawk 3, enjoying FPV, and getting into it. So if you guys liked my tomfoolery for about a minute and 40 seconds, I really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Peace.